duration of the flight. If you're, please return to your seats and make sure those seat belts are fastened. Landing in San Francisco in the next 20 minutes. Temperature 70 degrees, beautiful clear skies with calm winds. Going to gate 81. It's been our pleasure having you aboard. We hope you come back and fly with United Airlines again in the very near future. Have a great day. Prepare for landing. Ladies and gentlemen, please ensure your carry-on items and tray tables are stowed, your seat back is fully upright, and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to San Francisco. It is now safe to use your cell phones, and have a great day. Thank you for flying with us.